Hi guys, Calvin from Beyond Candlestick is back here again. Here we've got a pending order waiting to take this market back down for a few ticks. We did it earlier from this point. We did get the trade, and we entered here and we got all of this, all of that reversal. Unfortunately, the video I was filming, for some reason, when I finished the video, it didn't actually record properly, so I don't even know what happened. It just disappeared. So I'm doing another trade here now at another critical point. This blue dash is point of control. That's not just the reason why I'm entering. I'm hoping to get a fill here. I do need a fill here. I'm just wondering if I will get the fill and take this market down. Please give me the fill, because this is going to go down. Wow. We got the down in this one. We did get the fill, but the video's not around. And now the video's around. We're not getting the fill. I anticipated the market just cracking through my entry zone a little. And that's why I sat back, couple of ticks, a tick or two from my area of interest, which is this red line, this blue and red, and I've sat behind it. Unfortunately, sitting behind it means I'm not getting filled. This is sad. So, the profit's already there. As you can see, there's already profit there had I been filled. It's crucial to know where to put your lines. It is crucial. We got the move up. This is in the previous video. This was the area for our reversal, and I took the trade earlier before I made the video. Then I made the video to show you how important it is to spot these zones. And I think it was in the second candle by then. And as you can see, the market's gradually gone up. I've now found the point where the market is reversing again. We did it here. As I said, I took this trade. I got filled right on that line there. Don't know what happened to the video. But now the second point of reversal is here. And I didn't get filled. But as you can see, guys, it's about location. And although I didn't get filled, you can see that I had a good location to take profits out of the market. And this is what we teach you in our courses, how to find good locations to take profits out of the market. It doesn't matter that I don't get filled. We've got loads of locations to take profits out of the market. We never chase the market. Don't get filled, no big thing. There's always another time. What is important, guys, is if this market swings round and comes up here, we don't really want to get filled, because we only operate in virgin circumstances. So I'm going to kill this trade here, or just move this up to just move it up out the way, because I have another area of interest at 98 evens. So can I find 98 evens right there? So let's see if we can get filled on 98 evens. We don't want to overtrade, guys, but I think for the purpose of this video, we have another area that is, let's see. We have, right, so if we get blown through this area, we do have, I've got a line up here already waiting for an important area, but as you can see, my original area, my reds is for selling, as you can see. So this sold off, guys, as you can see. Sold off nicely, lots of profits in that move. And as I say, you don't want to sit there waiting to do this again. you move to your next area of interest. And I expect this market to roll over and come through here. And if it does, then I would like to take a trade here. If I get stopped out, my next place of interest is back up here. There may be one somewhere here, but I think up here is a better place. So let's see if this rolls over and goes through this. So it would have filled me had I stayed in, and it would have blown me out. Do you see what I mean about not staying in? Because I expected to get filled previously, I didn't. That area has gone. It's no longer valid. So I've moved away from it. Because had I got filled, remember, I'm a 7-tick guy. Yeah? 7-tick stop. So if I got filled there, you know, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ticks. I would have got stopped out. It's irrelevant that the market's still going down. I would have got stopped out and lost money. Yeah? So I moved away from there. It's critical. Once you find your spot and your spot is no longer valid, you go. This is one of the greatest education that I can give you that's free. In this video, if your place of entry is no longer valid, you go. You leave it alone. Don't try to get filled a second time. I would have been annihilated. My stock would have been taken out because I'm a 7-tick guy. I can do much less than 7. I don't tend to do more than 7. You know, if I've gone 7 ticks, beyond 7 ticks, I think I've got my location wrong. And I'm only using 7 because the NQ is extremely volatile. But if you notice, I was 1 tick away from getting filled previously, because I do get my spots really good, really tight. I don't need 7 ticks. If you can see here, had I been on my line, the red line, and I put my entry there, I would have got filled. But I just stuck it just beyond it, just because I had a feeling that the market may just probe through it, and I wanted to get filled at a better price. Wasn't necessary. I lost the trade by, you know, I missed out on that. You know, all these ticks, I missed out on it because of that. Now watch this trade. Let's see if we
order filled.
We get filled, and the market is hovering. When it hovers, it's quite dangerous. It's hovering.
Stop filled.
See that? It hovered. It's dangerous. Now, because of educational purposes, I didn't jump out. I just wanted to explain to you that when you get filled, especially with the NQ, you get filled and it hovers. Yeah? When I get filled, my spots are so crucial. I want to see the market collapse immediately. You know, it's collapsed now, but I want to see that immediately. So, when I see the market hover, this is education, guys. Listen carefully. When I see the market hover, it delayed for about I think about 2 seconds max, and then boom, it took me out. It stopped me out. Yeah? It's important that if the market hovers, do not trust that market anymore. It will come at you. Yes, it came at me. And yes, the trade is still good, but I got stopped out. And I could have avoided that. I could have got a break even, a scratch. I could have got a scratch, you know, because I know that if the market hovers, bang, hit that exit button. Yeah? Because it's going to pump. It's going to probe through you. Yeah? It's just a way, it's just understanding how the market behaves. It's crucial. It saves you money. So, you know, we got that. 2 lessons in this video. 1, when your area gets used, you move. 2, when the market comes and it hovers, there's a delay in its attitude. You want that market to crash because you know you've got the right zone. You've got the right location. And if it thinks that it's not going to collapse immediately, you're not so clever with that location. That location is not so good. Yeah? So yes, it is a good location because yeah, there's loads of ticks in it, there's profits on the table. But for the amount of ticks that I play as my stop, I cannot afford to get stopped out for 7 ticks when I know the market is going to take my stop out. So as soon as the market hovers and doesn't collapse, I hit the exit button. Didn't do it in the video because I wanted to explain to you that situation. I hope you've learned something there. And I'm not going to hang this video in until we get to here. It's just for educational purposes. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe, be the first to get our next videos, share with your friends, anyone that you know will like this video, that might learn something from this video, share. I'm here to bring knowledge to you guys so that you can make money just like the pros. It's too often that people allow you to just watch the videos just for entertainment without the education, and some people just do not give you the right education. I'm telling you guys, you come to the website beyondcandlesticks.com and do the course. Learn how to trade, learn how to find your locations. There's no need to be buying locations from people. Learn how to find your own locations. Learn how to trade with your own style. We'll teach you all that and more. Sign up to the courses, sign up to this website, subscribe to the videos, sign up to the courses. See you in the next video, guys.